There are a few things that say spring more than cherry blossoms. And the pink cherry blossoms have been so popular with Pioneer Imports and Wholesale that they've listened to you because you're like, oh, I wish I had that in white because it would work in so many different venues. So they've created the white cherry blossom. It's gorgeous in the wreath, a garland, and as well as the pick. So we're going to do a quick arrangement in really that weathered container, terracotta weathered container, and with our Helioboris. Really such a graceful and beautiful combination of flowers.